Hello friends, I am Sunil Patnaik. This video is in continuation to my earlier video on IT digital strategy. In this video, we shall walk through the approach from digitization to digitalization and how IT partners business in this transformation journey. Let's start. Let us understand the journey of digital transformation. Digital transformation is changing the way how you conduct your business. It cannot be achieved in one day and has many facets to it. Research says 70% of the digital transformations fail, though companies are aware that they need to grow with technology and create a differentiator through digital processes and solutions. But how to put these into action is the issue or is the problem which we are going to talk about today. Okay. Let us begin by elaborating on the stages of this journey. The first stage is digitization. In short, it is the process of converting information logged in physical documents from analog into a digital format. In today's era, 99% of the companies have successfully achieved it. The second stage is digitalization, which is about using this digitized information to work more simply and efficiently. And this is where the companies are failing today. Now, let me give you an example of one of the leading sportswear brand, which bet big on customization through digitalization. The company set up a new manufacturing plant and spent heavily on robotics, machine learning, and 3D printing. It wanted to give the customers the option of ordering personalized athletic shoes and delivering them fast. The leadership had bet big and hoped that the success can be replicated across other manufacturing locations. But after 3 years, the company shut down the facility. It failed. The reason being the operation and the new technologies never meshed up, and rapid production proved to be an illusionary story. I have highlighted here some of the probable reasons why digital transformation fails. The first and the most important of them is unclear business priorities. Digital investment should be calibrated to the readiness of your industry, both customers and competitors. Your market segment should be ready to accept this digital transformation. The second important reason of failure is the business IT misalignment. In this journey, business and IT cannot work in silos. If there is no alignment on capabilities, then the digitalization is doomed to fail. The third being most another important part is the IT non-readiness. If IT is not ready with the capability, process, and resource to deliver and support digital initiatives, then they are going to fail in the long run. Integrating digital initiatives is also an important factor in the success. It just doesn't involve technology. It is about how we change the culture of doing business. So digital initiatives should be integrated throughout the organization across different channels. Failed change management. This is one of the aspects business usually ignores. If the change management is not properly addressed and team are not aware about the company's goals for these initiatives, then the contribution is not 100%. Leadership vision. Digital investments do not quickly pay off. If this vision is not driven by the leadership and not supported by the leadership adequately, then we all know what the end state will be like. It will start with a boom but will also fail very quickly. Let us understand how the digital ecosystem works. What are the drivers which force the business to change its business model, and how IT needs to realign itself to this new business model. Some of the factors or some of the digital drivers which impact the business are differentiated services from competition, superior and personalized customer engagement, remote engagement with customer using new platforms, new marketing channels like social media platforms, new information sources at the hands of the customer to know about your product, and the plethora of information available about the company, about the product, and about the customers at the different digital sources. Now, how these drivers impact the business model? It increases the business to customer engagement. Supply chain optimization needs to be done to deliver the products fast. The products needs to be innovative and change accordingly to the taste of the customer. The entire business model needs to change. For example, transforming into the new payment methods or adapting the new payment methods for purchasing the goods. Change management at the front desk level as well as at the operations level, and reducing the cost of operations to manage the cost of new business model. In all this, IT needs to realign itself to support business in this new model. Now, how does IT achieve it? IT has to come forward or adopt new governance protocols because of the new model. Information security and compliance because of the use of more digital information by the customers and by the organization, which is very important to be safe, as this is today one of the most trust building factors for the organizations. Information management and analytics to predict customer engagement and customer behavior. Reduce lead time to delivery of the IT products to the business to enable them to perform efficiently. IT capability development with respect to people, process and technology. Adopting new digital technologies to support the new business model like DevOps or machine learning. Innovating IT to stay relevant in this new business era and in this new business model. And lastly, change management of the IT personnel to support this changing model. The three aspects which IT needs to change to partner in this transformation journey is PPT, or People, Process and Technology. These three aspects are governed and directed by IT strategy and visioning. People aspect is taken care by change management and competency management. Process aspect is addressed through governance, and technology through developing the IT capability. Let me give you an example how business transformed its customer engagement and how alignment with IT made it a success. Usually, customers tend to visit showrooms or automobile showrooms to purchase automobiles or cars. And with current pandemic situation, people avoided it. So, one of the leading automobile manufacturing companies came up with this digital initiative of remote customer engagement. The company quickly aligned its IT team to develop different digital buying options with customer registration, car selection, 3D car representation, finance options, delivery schedule, along with 3D representation of the vehicle and its different accessories. The use of chatbots helped them to keep the customer engaged, resulting in sales. This shows how addressing the changing market and customer preference through aligned digital initiatives can be a success story. I look forward to your feedback and do subscribe to more on exciting journey of IT transformation. Next video, I will present on one of the important pillars of digital transformation, that is alignment between IT governance and IT security. Come, let's enjoy the journey from transition to transformation. Let's explore transformation.